evening guys, welcome back to YogaCandi. I'm Candice and tonight we're going to do a really relaxing yoga routine. This is for just before you're about to go to sleep, so feel free to practice this on your bed tonight if you would like to. If you're practicing on the mat, I recommend grabbing a couple of props that can just help you relax even more, unwind even more. So grab yourself an oil or a scent that you find really relaxing. It could be something like lavender. Also grab a couple of big towels wrapped up together, rolled together, keep them aside. A couple of pillows would also be really helpful. And other than that, make sure you're wearing something really comfortable. Even feel free to wear your pajamas for this tonight. So let's get started. Okay everybody. So as I said before, have a facial oil or some kind of oil nearby. It can even be Johnson's baby oil, just something that smells nice. And place it onto your wrists. Have a little sniff. It's just to help to calm the senses. And then have two big towels prepared, both of them rolled up together. And just pop that to the end of your mat. If you have some blocks, have them handy as well nearby, or even a couple of books stacked up is absolutely fine. You don't have to have these props. These are completely just something if you would like to have them. If you're already doing yoga on your bed before bedtime, then that's absolutely fine. You've got your pillows nearby already. If not, maybe grab your pillows, pause the video here and pop them at the top of your mat. Now find a nice comfortable seat. You can either be seated onto a nice comfortable blanket or on your actual bed if that's where you are. Don't force your legs into any particular position, just make sure that you're comfortable and that your knees feel safe and they're haven't got any pain in them. Now roll your shoulders up, back and down and place your hands on your knees or even in your lap, wherever you feel most comfortable. Close your eyes. And just listen to your breath. I'm going to take a moment to wind down from our day now. Whatever's happened in your day, just let it go. If any thoughts cross your mind, allow them just to pass. Don't pay them too much attention. And breathe. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and feel grateful that you're here, alive, now in this moment. Be proud that you have given yourself this time to prepare for one of the most important things for any creature on this earth is rest, a recharging of the body. Just breathe. When you're ready, bring your hands to your heart center. Just bow your head in thanks. Keeping your eyes closed, rub your hands together and create a warm energy between them. When you're ready, place those hands over your eyes and just hold them there for a moment, feeling that warmth and that energy just soaking in. And maybe have a little smell of the palms. Smell that lovely oil that you've put on them. Perhaps even put your hands into the shape of a lotus. Bring them back into your heart center. Namaste. Let's begin. Take that right leg and stretch it out in front of you, keeping your left foot in towards your right inner thigh. Now you can use your blocks for this to get deep into the stretch if you would like to put it behind your foot and really get in there. If you want to just take this nice and easy tonight, it doesn't matter about your flexibility, sometimes we just want to take it easy. Fold that pillow, get it in close towards your torso and perhaps just lean over the pillow. You can either just let your arms hang, you can grab onto your foot, your ankle, your shin, it's wherever is comfortable. You don't even have to keep this leg straight. We're taking this very easy tonight. The main thing is to keep breathing Keep your body feeling relaxed. Just feel that lovely stretch. If you'd like to, you can point and flex your toes and just watch your feet as you do so. If you're happy where you are, stay there. If you would like to, you can come a bit deeper into that stretch even. Feel free to remove the pillow if you want to get a little deeper. If you feel that it's still a little bit tight in your hamstrings, you just need to get a little lower and go for it. There's no right or wrong tonight. Just listen to your body and do exactly as it asks. While you're stretching, point and flex your feet if you would like to. Just get any energy that your body's feeling out of you before you lie down and try to go to sleep tonight. Walk yourself back up and let's swap legs. Straighten that left foot out and keep the right foot in close towards your crutch. Feel free to use a pillow, a bolster, anything you want to make this comfortable. Breathe into this. Breathe slowly and deeply into every corner of your chest. You can even take that breath into your belly, making sure to breathe out all of the breath as well. Enjoy the stretch. Point and flex those feet if you would like to. Remember, there's no right and wrong here. Remove that pillow if you want to get a bit deeper again, and pull yourself a little closer if you would like to. Just breathe and let your head be heavy. Just relax. Stay here for a couple more breaths. When you're ready, let's walk our hands back up to the top. We're going to place our feet together in butterfly. Let your knees fall out to the sides, and you can either put your pillows under your knees if you have particularly tight hips, and just sit up straight. But if your hips are not too tight, let them fall out to the side and place your pillows underneath your tummy, and just let your back bend as you fall over those pillows, and just give in to gravity. Don't worry about keeping your back straight in this flow tonight. This is all about relaxation, letting go. Breathe into that upper back, lower back, middle back. Feel those hips opening, relaxing, letting go. Breathe in your nostrils and out of your nostrils. If you would like to take that even lower, feel free to walk your hands a bit forward and rest your neck. If you notice your mind starting to wander, bring your attention back into your body, back to your breath, and back into the sensations in the body. We're going to walk the hands back up and place your pillows back where they were. Come back into a cross-legged position, any position of your choice, and let's give our neck a good roll out. Roll it from right to left, nice and slowly, and then left to right. Breathing in as it's to the right, and breathing out as you roll your neck over to the left, and breathing in as your head comes back up. Breathing out to the middle, and breathing in to the right. Now keep your head to the right, and taking your right hand, place it above the elbow of the left arm. So just creating a little bit of extra weight to that side, giving a deeper stretch into the neck. Just feel it out. Feel where there's tension. Come back up to the middle. We're going to take it over to the other side. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Let your head drop. Using that left arm, that left hand, grab above the right elbow. And just feel that wonderful stretch through the neck. Keep breathing. When you're ready, come up to the middle. Now we're just going to drop over to the left, even placing the left elbow on the floor and taking your right arm up and over, stretching through that side body. You may have been sitting at a desk a lot today. You may have been driving a lot today. Or perhaps you've just got back from a run. It's just a beautiful stretch in the side body, getting you ready for the night. Just breathe in and take it over to the other side. Just let that top arm flop over. Don't put too much effort into this, just feel the stretch. Keep breathing and bring it up to the middle again. Now when you're ready, place your pillows parallel with the mat. And let's just take your left foot to the outside of the left thigh and the right foot outside of the right thigh. Keep your knees together. And if it's possible for you, lie back onto those pillows and just place your hands on the top of your feet. If this position's too uncomfortable for you, perhaps just put your legs into butterfly position with your feet together and let your knees fall out to the side. But if this is possible, try to do this. It can feel like such a beautiful stretch on the front of the outer thighs. Maybe even just let your hands come up and back and let them fall out to the sides, stretching through the upper chest. Just stay here and breathe, enjoying the sensations in the body. Taking time for you. Take a breath in and a breath out. Enjoy this moment you're giving for yourself. When you're ready, bring your hands back down to your feet. Keeping your eyes closed, just take a little more of a moment here for yourself. Breathing in and out. When you're ready, slowly come back up. Bring your legs back round. Take those towels that you'd folded or rolled and place them underneath your knees. Pop your pillows back down so that you can lie comfortably back onto them. If you're already in bed, you can even use a pillow under your knees, or if you have a towel handy, use that underneath and put your blanket over you, keep you nice and warm. We're going into Shavasana now, final resting pose. Allow your feet to fall from side to side. Make sure they're at least hip width apart, just a little bit more than hip width apart. Your hands down by your sides, a few inches from the inside of your body. And your palms facing up towards the ceiling. Your fingers, allow them to just relax and fold naturally. Face towards the ceiling and breathe and relax. We're going to be here for a little while. For those of you that are already in bed, if you feel very comfortable, feel free to switch this video off right now and get prepared to sleep. For those of you that are on the mat, I'm going to talk you through a bit of relaxation. You're welcome to stay here as long as you like. Just keep breathing. If any thoughts come to your mind, let them pass. If your mind starts to wander, come back to your breath. Just take this moment for you. I'm going to be quiet now and allow you just to enjoy. When you're ready, stretch your arms up overhead and move over onto your side body with your eyes still closed. Just lie there on your side, enjoying this moment. When you're ready, use your right arm to push you back up, keeping your eyes closed. Come into a comfortable seat and just take a moment with your back straight, hands on your knees, and breathe. Thank yourself for this moment. Raise your hands up to the sky as you breathe in, hands in towards your heart center. Namaste. Sleep well.